So now let's quickly talk about our lymphatic system. So our lymphatic system is an open circulatory system. So our regular blood vessel system, like our regular circulatory system, is closed because we have blood vessels that are being pumped out of the heart and they come back to the heart. So this is closed. However, when we're talking about the lymphatic system, basically it's open because they run along the circulatory system, but they don't really have a way back to the heart, okay, and back and forth. So it's basically they're just running open-ended and they just suck in everything. So why the heck do we need the lymphatic system? So the lymphatic system is basically like the filter in our body. So through the lymphatic system, we are going to have lymphocytes, and if you guys remember from our immune systems, lymphocytes are B cells and T cells, but also we have our immune system cells like the white blood cells and the macrophages. All of those cells are the ones that are going to be traveling through the lymphatic system, through the lymphatic vessel, okay? So what does it really actually do? So if this is regular circulatory system, and these are your red blood cells, obviously your red blood cells are going to be traveling through your circulatory system. Our lymphatic system is like right here. So this is the lymphatic system, or the lymphatic vessels. And we have our lymphatic cells. And remember the lymphatic cells, the nucleus are super, super large. Okay. So anyways, and then this area from here to here, do you guys remember what this was called? Interstitial space, right? Interstitial space. So what happens is we have plasma where the red blood cells are traveling through. This is plasma. And the plasma, sometimes if we have too much water or too much fluid in any way, or just not enough solute, a lot of this plasma will actually leak through the interstitial space. So if you are a healthy human being, all of this water will be reabsorbed through the lymphatic blood vessels. And then they will go and they will get deposited or dumped into the heart. And then your blood volume will actually come back to normal. However, unfortunately, sometimes as you get older, your lymphatic vessels are not as elasticy and their filtration system is not on point. And so when that happens, a lot of the fluids will leak from the circulatory system into the interstitial space. And the lymphatic system won't be able to absorb that. So if they're not able to absorb that, all of that fluid will pool into the interstitial space. And if you have too much pooling of that, we call that edema, aka swelling. Good? That's it.